Hello everybody, I'm Constance Song. I've always wondered why some people are able to keep their budget in check for their renovation, whereas others have to worry about busting their budget while renovating. The last time I was renovating my home for the first time, I was really concerned about the contractors, the interior designers, especially when it involves my home, my dream home. It was difficult finding an interior designer that can deliver and design my ideas. Recently, my friends told me that there is an online platform that features many interior designers with their ideas through their blogs, photos, and videos. He told me that he found a reliable interior designer through this platform and he was able to create a dream home within his budget. I was keen to check out this website. Indeed, this platform website with its social media channel features numerous beautiful interior projects. There are many homeowners' testimonial videos that use this platform to find their interior designer to create their dream home. I was amazed that this platform, Renopedia, is able to assist homeowners to reduce their renovation costs and at the same time recommend and choose the right interior designer. You will stand a chance to win up to 50,000 through their lucky draw contest. Your dream home can also be built on a budget. Renopedia, the #1 online renovation media platform. Sign up today by clicking the link below.